Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play City Skylines. To begin, select a map that offers plenty of space and natural resources for your city's foundation. Your first steps involve establishing a basic road network and connecting power lines to ensure electricity. Next, strategically designate residential, commercial, and industrial zones. This initial setup is crucial for attracting your first citizens and kickstarting your urban development, laying the groundwork for a thriving metropolis. Once your city starts growing, providing essential services becomes paramount. Ensure every building has access to clean water and a reliable electricity supply. Implement robust waste management systems and build hospitals to keep your citizens healthy. Don't forget to establish police stations and fire departments to maintain public safety and respond to emergencies. Balancing these services is key to a happy and functional city, supporting a population of thousands. A healthy economy fuels your city's expansion. Carefully monitor your budget and adjust tax rates to maintain a steady income stream. Encourage growth by attracting new residents and businesses through well-planned zoning and amenities. Investing in education, from elementary schools to universities, significantly boosts citizen happiness and productivity. Additionally, developing an efficient public transportation network, like bus lines or metro systems, reduces traffic and enhances overall quality of life for your tens of thousands of citizens. As your city matures, advanced planning becomes vital. Focus on optimizing traffic flow by designing efficient road networks and expanding public transit options. Pay close attention to environmental factors, mitigating pollution and noise to preserve land value and citizen well-being. Strategic expansion involves anticipating future needs, like increased demand for housing or services, and planning accordingly. With careful consideration, your city can grow into a bustling metropolis, home to hundreds of thousands of happy residents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.